So let me see. Your other part of the question is, in your opinion, are these positions harder to get? Yeah, they're not harder to get. I would say they're easier. And then, are these clear? Do they pay more? It depends on. Yes, yes, number one, but it also depends on where it is, on how much more that they pay. Like if you're on the East Coast, I notice cleared positions pay way more than any other parts of the country. There's a couple hot spots for cybersecurity, at least. It's in number one being the DMV area, DC, Virginia, um, DC, Virginia, Maryland. That whole area pays the most, has the most cleared jobs as far as I know, and pays the best. And then I mean, all that's shifting now with all this Doge bullshit going on. Um, the other place would be, just in random order, would be Plano, Texas has some. Southern California has some of those types of cleared jobs. You find them here in Colorado. Some of the major cities have them. Anywhere where you see a lot of federal offices, bases, places like that will have a lot of those types of jobs. And I believe some of the state capitals, because some state governments also, some of those need to be have some kind of clearance. So hope that answers your question.